Guys, today I will show you and demo this Sunbeam air fryer. I will be cooking chicken wings. I'm not expert in cooking, this is just my trial cooking. So today I will be cooking these chicken wings to my Sunbeam air fryer. First, put some salt. Then some pepper. A little paprika for the flavor. More. So now clean hands. And make sure the will be mixed properly. Normally you can leave it about 30 minutes, then you can start cooking. Now I can put the chicken in this fryer. Okay, all good to go. The chicken in the Sunbeam air fryer. Okay, and set the time to set the temperature to 200 degrees first, then about like 5 minutes. Okay, I just finished the first 5 minutes that we tried. Now 5 minutes to go. So by the way, if it is running, you can see there's a green light here. But once it reaches the right temperature, then it will be off. Then once it cools down a little bit, then it goes back and turns on again. Okay, let's wait some more. You can see that so it turned off because it reached the temperature that was setting here. Then once it cools down a little bit, then it will starts to kick in, then turn on again. Okay, it finished the next step. Then what I'll do is I will check the chicken wings. See, it's nearly red, but I want to turn the wings so we can cook the other side of the wings. Okay, so check the other side. Just turn everything. Okay, then it's ready for the next steps. Put back. Then set again to 15 minutes again. Then at the same time at 160. Now it finished that step. Then the final step is set this temperature to about 180 to make the wings crunchy, then for another 5 minutes. Finish the last step, so have a look. Wow, really nice. See, it's really crunchy. Should be juicy inside. Okay. Okay, then if you want to see underneath the tray, then you can just click this one, then press. Then you can pull it up. You can see the oil underneath. Okay, so that's it. So that is my cooking of these chicken wings. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.